Hello, I'm Karen Chapman and I'm an interior designer and design and build consultant, and it's my job to help maximise the potential within your home. My approach to design and build turns traditional thinking on its head. Most people believe they need an architect first and then a builder and then a decorator. And if there's any money left, they might approach someone like me to help put some finishing touches together. But think about your new home for a minute. You're probably focusing less on the bricks and mortar and more on the new lifestyle your home will offer, such as extra space, additional storage, or a new kitchen and luxurious new bathroom. The interior of your home will impact your life on a daily basis, so these decisions shouldn't be left until the end. I believe in considering how a family will live within a new space and then work from the inside out to ensure that these important elements and features are built in from day one. This means future-proofing is really important. Children's needs change as they grow, and perhaps ageing parents will eventually move in. Lighting is one of the most important integrated features. It has the power to shape a space, and it can be so much more interesting than a smattering of spotlights and a few table lamps.
I've lived here for a long time and the house itself was fine, but the room was very dark. It was dominated by a big brick fireplace, and I just wanted it a bit more light and actually just to bring a sense of joy to the house. I couldn't have done it without Karen, and to be honest, I would recommend her in a heartbeat, and I'm only sorry that I've run out of rooms for her to do, so it was fantastic.